everyone, today we're gonna tell you about how cultural norms and gender stereotypes shape societal perception and roles in Indonesia and the United States. An examination of concepts such as self-identity, time orientation, historical context, fairness, and justice. The first one is concept of self. Indonesia emphasizes collectivism. The self is defined in relationship to family and community. Gender roles are traditionally defined, with expectation for women to prioritize family responsibilities, while in United States, values individualism. The self is seen as autonomous and self-reliant, greater acceptance of diverse gender identities and roles. In implication, cultural definition of self influence gender expectation and behavior. In Indonesia, the collective mindset may reinforce traditional gender roles, limiting personal agency especially for women. In United States, the individualistic perspective supports greater gender role diversity, but may overlook the value of community-oriented gender experience.
Times orientation. In Indonesia, tradition and historical context heavily influence present behaviors. Gender roles are often rooted in historical and cultural practice. In contrast, American focus on progress and innovation. Gender roles are more fluid, with ongoing movements toward equality. Implication: cultural orientation toward time over how gender roles evolve. Indonesia fast-oriented view can hinder progress toward gender equality by upholding traditional roles. Conversely, the United States future-oriented approach support reforms but might underparticipate cultural roles that still influence present gender-biased. Fairness and justice. In Indonesia, justice is often influenced by social harmony and community consensus. Gender disparities exist, particularly affecting women's access to legal recourse in case of discrimination or violence. While in United States, justice is based on individual rights and legal framework. Legal protection against gender discrimination are more established, though challenges remain. Implication: in Indonesia, implication. In Indonesia, societal view on gender justice might be intertwined with cultural values in the United States. There's a stronger institutional emphasis on upholding gender equality.
Stereotypes and societal views. In Indonesian, common stereotypes include expectation for women to be nurturing and men to be authoritative. Media and culture narrative often reinforce traditional gender roles, while in United States, stereotypes are actively challenged through media, education, and advocacy. Greater visibility of diverse gender identities and roles. Implication: efforts to challenge and change gender stereotypes may fetch more recent stage in Indonesia due to culture norms. The United States provides a more conducive environment for redefining and diversifying gender roles.